dear English learners, how are you all doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and doing well in your life. Today afternoon, um, in my gas cylinder, gas got over and I don't have extra filled cylinder. Actually, I have already informed my husband when the earlier gas cylinder got over. He was trying to book online, but I don't know what has happened. Because of some technical issue, he couldn't book the cylinder and we didn't get. And it was just getting delayed, and now the gas cylinder is over. I don't have cylinder with me, so I took out my induction. I have induction cooktop, and fortunately I have some utensils which are induction friendly. One kadhai, one tawa, one pressure cooker and one pot. So that will be enough for cooking. So I have dal leftover which I have cooked in morning for lunch, and I have already cooked rice. Now I am making dry bagan. Actually I planned to make bagan ka bharta. For bagan ka bharta we have to roast brinjal in flame, but right now I don't have, so I can't roast on induction. So what did I do? I chopped it in small pieces. I have seasoned it with cumin seed and chili and onion, and now when it will be fried nicely, I will add all dry masala and I will add tomato. And since I have induction friendly tawa, so I can make chapati as well. And I am trying to finish my cooking as early as possible, because if there will be a power cut, I won't be able to use my induction. Because my son, he has had cough from 3 days, Friday and Monday. He didn't go to school. Saturday, Sunday he has holiday. So he has been taking medicine from 3 days. We went to doctor. He checked him nicely, properly, and he informed us that he doesn't have any infection, but due to some allergy he has swelling in his throat, so he should not shout or laugh. So and since he is taking medicine 3 times, so I didn't send him to school. He is laying outside with his father, and I am trying to finish all my cooking. I will give him rice, dal bhat. I will mash it nicely, because when yesterday I cooked khichdi, he didn't take it. So today I will give him bhat with dal. It will be easy for him to swallow it, because when he is swallowing food, if he coughs, he will vomit. So this simple food will be easy for him to swallow, and I don't want to get food from restaurant, so I am trying to finish all my cooking. So if any incidents, real incidents happen to you, just try to narrate those situations in your own words. It will increase your creativity to make those sentences. You will think that मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ, उसे मैं कैसे बनाऊँगी. तो आप सारे टेंसेस जो आपको पहले से पता है, you know already all vocabularies, you will try to utilize as creativity as you can include to make those structure, right? So I hope this video would be helpful for you. If you find it useful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye for now. Till then, keep it simple, practice every day and enjoy your speaking journey. Thank you for watching.